Central Bangalore is the iconic historic core of the city, where charming colonial era seamlessly blends with modern urban energy. Leading with rich heritage, architectural marvel, I'm here in Shantinagar, a place in the city center which instantly captivates high-end buyers. Today, I'm taking you through a luxury ready-to-move-in apartment designed for luxury, comfort and modern living. In the ground floor, you get a luxury 3 BHK apartment with a super built-up area of 2,348 square feet. It is perfect for families looking for extra space, comfort and security. Each unit has a spacious living area with a 3 BHK house. You also get 2 private decks. This apartment comes with a modern open kitchen as well as a utility. So now have a look at this master bedroom which has an attached balcony. This is spacious and has good ventilation as well as sunlight. So here it has an attached washroom and this is one of the master bedroom. Now moving to the third bedroom which can be utilized for your family as well as guest. It has a washroom next to it. Now, taking you to the most interesting part of this project is the party hall located on top of the building. So this party hall is designed for small parties, family gatherings as well as common meeting. So you also get a lift which is close by to this party hall for an easier movement and commute. There is a generator for power backup and a solar installed at the top.
My name is Madhusudan. I am from Coldwell, Bangalore, South India. If you are searching for premium ready-to-move-in apartment in CBD area, this property for you. For more details and site visit, please contact below numbers. Thank you.